Namaste students. Today in this session we are going to learn fourth shloka from Dravida Suktayaha lesson. Topic is Santva Vachanam Sukhapradartha Vachakaihi Padaihi Kritahi Santvana Adharma Samkshayam Tatha Tanoti Dharma Vardhanam. सुखप्रदार्थ वाचकैः पदैः कृताहि सांत्वना अधर्म संक्षयं तथा तनोति धर्मवर्धनम. कुरल அல்லவை தேய அறம்பெருகும் நல்லவை நாடி இனிய சொலின். பதச்சேதः. The word split of Suktihi number 4 is सुखप्रदार्थवाचकैः पदैः कृता हि सांत्वना अधर्मसंक्षयं तथा तनोति धर्मवर्धनम. पदार्थः, word meaning of Suktihi number 4. सुखप्रदार्थवाचकैहि पदैहि, by sweet words. कृता, by who does. He, also. सांत्वना, soothing with kind words. अधर्म संक्षयम, destruction of sin. तथा, so. तनोति, grows. धर्मवर्धनम, increase of virtue. The explanation for this shloka is: if a man, while seeking to speak usually, speak also sweetly, his sins will diminish and his virtue increase. In this shloka, there are two compound words. Compound words are called in Sanskrit as samasaha. The topic is samasaha. Sukhapradartham, सुखं प्रदास्यति इति तस्य अर्थः तम. धर्मवर्धनम, धर्मस्य वर्धनम, धर्मवर्धनम. In this shloka we have three opposite words, that is viparita padani. धर्मः, अधर्मः, सुखम, दुःखम, वृद्धिः, क्षयः. After analyzing the book back questions from this shloka, we have only one word to say meaning in Sanskrit. That word is vardhanam. Vardhanam means vruddhihi. Prashnottari, question and answers. Ka dharmavardhanam karoti, what increases merits? Answer in Sanskrit: सुखप्रदार्थकैः वाचकैः कृता सांत्वना धर्मवर्धनम करोति. Answer in English: if a man, while seeking to speak usually, speaks also sweetly, his sins will diminish and his virtue increases. Fifth shloka from Dravida Suktayaha. Topic is Sushilam. सुवृत्तनिष्ठता परं प्रसौति धर्मसन्ततिं चिनोति पापमुत्कटं कपूयशीलवर्तनम् सुवृत्तनिष्ठता परं प्रसौति धर्मसन्ततिं चिनोति पापमुत्कटं कपूयशीलवर्तनम् குறள் நன்றிக்கு வித்தாகும் நல்லொழுக்கம் தீயொழுக்கம் என்றும் இடும்பை தரும். பதச்சேதः word split of Sukti number 5 is Suvritta-nishtata param prasauti dharma-santatim चिनोति पापम उत्कटम कपूयशीलवर्तनम. पदार्थः word meaning of Sukti. Suvritta-nishtata propriety of conduct. Param much. Prasauti generates. Dharma-santatim the seed of virtue. Chinoti choose. Papam sin. Utkatam keen. Kapuyashila-vartanam bad habits. The explanation for shloka number 5 is propriety of conduct is the seed of virtue. Impropriety will ever cause sorrow. Sandhihi. Join the words. Papam plus utkatam. Papamutkatam. Viparita padani. Opposite words. In this shloka, there are many opposite words. So students, you all carefully read this portion to get 2 marks in exam. Suvrittam, Durvrittam, Dharmaha, Adharmaha, Param, Aparam, Punyam, Papam, Sheelam, Kusheelam. Prashnottari question and answers. Sushila Dushila Yoho Lakshanam Kim? Uttaram Sushila Nishta Dharma Santatim Tanoti Dushila Nishta Utkatam Papam Chinoti. What are the characteristics of good conduct and bad conduct? Propriety of conduct is the seed of virtue. Impropriety will ever cause sorrow. Shloka number 6. Topic is Kshama. Pratikriya kritam sukham tadatva eva jayate krita paradha marishinam yashas sukham layavadhi. Pratikriya kritam sukham tadatva eva jayate krita paradha marishinam yashas sukham layavadhi. குறள் ஒருத்தார்க்கு ஒரு நாள இன்பம் பொறுத்தார்க்கு பொன்றுந்துணையும் புகழ். பதச்சேதः word split of Sukti number 6. Pratikriya kritam sukham तदात्वे एव जायते कृतापराधमर्षिणां यशः सुखं लयावधि. पदार्थः word meaning of suktihi follows. Pratikriya kritam, the person who does help. Sukham, happiness. Tadatve, that time itself. Eva, only. Jayate, happens. Kritaparadhamarshinam, the people absolve a misconduct. Yashaha, fame. Sukham, happiness. Layavadhi, last, till the end of the world. Explanation for shloka number 6. The happiness comes from absolving a misconduct. That happiness keep going till the end of the world. Viparita padani, opposite words. In this shloka, we have only one opposite word, sukham, dukkham. Samanarthaha, word meaning in Sanskrit. Yashaha, kirtihi. Prashnottari, question and answers. Kshamayaha prayojanam kim? What is the benefit of forbearance? Yaha paraihi krita aparadhaya pratikriyam karoti tasya sukham kshanakalikam. Paradroha sahishnunam yashaha sukham cha pralayakalam yada jayate tavat paryantam bhavati. The happiness comes from absolving a misconduct. That happiness keep going till the end of the world. As we discussed in first session, the same question will follow for 6 marks. That means answer in detail. Savistaram uttaram likhata. Adarsha prashnaha, model questions based on the above shlokas. Dravida suktitaha 3 shlokan vyakhyata. Explain 3 shlokas from Dravida Suktihi. Appadikshitena praniteshu nititrayam yatha grantham vivrunuta. Explain 3 morals as per the lesson told by Appadikshita. Tippanim likhata, write note on the following topics. Santva vachanam, Kshamayaha mahatvam, Sushilasya mahatvam,